And welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I'm going to be unboxing this cute little set. It was on Amazon for under $12. I think it was like 10 something. And I don't know all the things that are completely in here, but I really do love me some Barbie Extra Minis, especially the articulated ones. I think they are so adorable. And the fun thing about the Barbie Extra Minis is I feel like these little girls could be like, you know, like dwarf size dolls, you know, because Barbie hasn't come up with that yet. They only got like Chelsea and stuff, and these are not Chelsea, these are Barbie Extra Minis. And so I think that we could like say that these are just dwarfs, you know. Plus they're really glamorous, and I don't recall any little kids dressing all glamorous and cutesy and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and unbox it. But before I do, this is what the back looks like. I won't be keeping any of the packaging probably because there isn't really any cute artwork or anything like that. But I mean, like, it says that I get all of this in there, plus like that closet looking thing. So that will be fun, especially with all like the little accessories and stuff. I mean, like, it's not something that I personally like or is going for when I get these little dolls. I get them for the articulation, and I love making my own doll clothes, so that's mainly the reason why I wanted this set. And this doll was on sale, and it came with all this stuff, so why just buy a doll when it's like $8.99 when you can get this set for a couple dollars more? It just makes more sense, you know, get your bang for your buck. Okay, so I got it out of the box, and this is all the stuff, and this is the doll actually fits in there, and it's like a plastic box. It's kind of like for like photos and stuff like that, so it's really cute. And it's got like these little open hearts, and it says Barbie Extra Mini on the back, and it's got like the hearts embossed. Let's take the dolly out, and it's the same thing. I don't know like if this is supposed to connect to anything yet or not. Maybe you can stack them. That would be really cool if you could. I don't know if you can or not, but this is what it looks like, and it's cute. It's got like the little OOTD, a diamond, and a green little gummy looking teddy bear thing, and it says outfit goals. This is really cute, especially for like photos and stuff like that. The doll is adorable. She's a darker skin tone, not quite the same skin tone, I think, to the original blonde hair beautiful one, but she has pink highlights and stuff. I will most likely end up popping her head off eventually, unless I decide to use her as a dwarf size Barbie. But anyways, I think she is super duper cute. Like, her makeup is like on point. I don't know anything about pixelation, but I'm sure she probably has some pixelated eyes or something. I don't know anything about that, because I don't really care about that, honestly. I just think they're really cute. And if you want to pop the heads off and put Chelsea heads on, that's great. I would just like personally put it under some hot water when you do that, because I can't say that you'll break the net peg, but I mean, like, you could. It's not like there's any swivel or anything like that on it, but the shoes are really cute. And I did notice when the shoe tag came off, when I took her out of the box, that her foot is a little more flat versus the other girl's foot. So I will have to show you that soon, what I'm talking about. But I mean, like, the accessories, cool. I don't really care about the accessories. The outfits is nice. I like the shoes. The shoes are really, really cute. But their feet are a lot smaller than Chelsea, and I think they might be the same size as Kelly. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to go check. But the shoes will definitely not fit Chelsea, but they are really, really cute. And if you're planning to like head swap with a Chelsea, then these are great for that as well. But they are so cute. It's really cute. It has this really fun little handle, and it's like kind of squishy a little bit, not quite squishy, but it's not very plasticky. It's kind of like silicone almost. The back is really cool. This would be really cool for like little pictures and stuff, because it says Barbie Extra Minis on it, so that's really cute too. It's very versatile. and they got like the little open stars, like the box has like little open hearts. This one has like little open stars and stuff. And you know what, I'm looking at this, and honestly, I think I could probably put clay in that and use it like as a clay cutter or something, honestly. But it's really cute. It's got like lots of details and stuff in it, and it looks like a zipper. So I think this might be like a backpack or something, but it's plastic. I'm not going to use it as a backpack because there's honestly no point, but I think that's the purpose of why it looks like that. And maybe these, hold on one second. Okay, so when I was looking at these little peg looking things, apparently you can actually hook that box up to that if you want to, for like display purposes. So I just thought I would mention that. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this little thing. That's cool, and it even says Barbie Extra Mini on it as well. So inside, probably get out of my way, put it over there. So inside, you get all these goodies and stuff in this plastic bag. So I will have to open that. Here's this little translucently yellow rack. I don't really like the color or anything like that. If I had some spray paint, I would spray paint it for sure. But it is really cute. And then there's like this, it's actually in there pretty good, and it's a moon shelf, and it says make today, and there is a working mirror over here. And anyways, there's like these little cloud shelves and stuff, so that is really cute. This is kind of like a little shopping mall. I don't want to show myself or anything, so there's that. And then this, oh my god, that's like a Lazy Susan. That is so cute. I love that. Like, oh my goodness, that's so cool. And usually the Barbie Extra Minis come with a stand, which is really fun and great to have. So there might be a stand in here. If there's not, I am very surprised if there's not. I think there is. It looks like there is. So there is. There's the little stand piece. So I'm going to set all this up. Here's the entire collection. Everything looks so cute on it. And since I have quite a few of the Barbie Extra Minis, I can actually use that rack. And I can actually put the accessories and stuff in here and not have to worry about losing it, which is really nice. Because I don't know what else I would use this for, but I think for display purposes, it'd be really, really cute. So I need to find a place, probably somewhere in Muffin's room where my dolls like to hang out at. I'll probably put it in there or something, just because it's really cute and it's such a really adorable set. And like I said, there's like a little Lazy Susan. I just got her sitting there just because her jacket is oversized. It's cute, but it's oversized. But there's tons of accessories. And the purses are really gummy, like they feel like silicone, not like that hard plastic. I do like the fact that this little purple dress over here, the straps is not ribbon, it's actually elastic, and that's really nice. And then there's a watermelon little handbag that's really cute. And honestly, if you don't want to use it as a bag because it doesn't open or anything, you could totally cut that off and use it for American Girl probably, or even Barbie. Another thing that I found that would work for American Girl would be this giant gummy bear looking thing, and I think you could put like little accessories and stuff in there too, because it feels like it opens, but it's also like a keychain. But I think I would probably use it for my American Girls. You know, I think it'd be really cute. And this bag over here would be good for a bigger Barbie as well. This is Barbie Extra Minis, and it's in the translucent blue, and it's really cute. And I'm glad I got 2 pairs of shoes, and I got an extra outfit, which is really nice, and that jacket is really cute. So I think these dolls are gonna be like so set for fall and winter or something, because like I got like so many little cute little things. So I love the set, and I think it is worth what it costed. You know, like I said, I got it under $10, and I honestly think that even paying full price for that wouldn't even be too terrible, just because you get a lot of really good things, and the clothes are really cute, and they are a decent quality. Like, I really like that. I don't know about staining though. They may or may not, I'm not sure, but they are really, really cute. And the accessories alone is really cute, like the little shoes and stuff like that, and the little outfits. Like, making little outfits, I make little outfits all the freaking time, y'all, and you know what, they take a lot of patience to do, because like they're so tiny, and this is so tiny and it's so cute, and it just says extra all over it. It's like so adorable. And like I said, I'm glad that there was elastic, and it is stretchy, so it just slides on the doll, so that's nice. That dress over there that she is wearing, it velcros in the back, so it does like snag onto the jacket just a little bit. But I mean, overall, this is a really cute set. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!